Hey there. Now let's go with the continuation video. Welcome to CryptoReality. Right now we're gonna talk about the Bitcoin. Please be advised, I'm not your financial advisor. Please always do your own research. All I am saying here is just my opinion, my observation, and my analysis. Now let's go. Let's dive into Bitcoin US dollar pair. So as you can see here on the daily, we manage to stay above this trend line. Because if we break that, I don't know what's gonna happen. You see that a beautiful trend line here, this green line. First I'm gonna hide this AMA. As you can see, a clean chart here. We are in a good upside channel here. So if I'm gonna draw this line, we still have times to the upside here to your 140 target, or my price target was 157 US dollars, 157,000 US dollars, should I say. So I'm gonna remove this right now, but it's not that important. I want you to see this horizontal line. This is your resistance here. There at your 124. So if we manage to go through this, we have this beautiful line here. Okay, let's go on to this. Yeah, therefore you're gonna hit this high, almost to my target. This is a 150, 151, around here, or maybe some wick here. Okay, it will wick here before it dumps, just like that. Let me use a drawing here. Maybe we can manage to consolidate here, then pump, then we enter the bear market. That's the bullish case that we're seeing here, and I prefer that. Don't get me wrong. Let's go on a weekly time frame for this. As you can see here, I can see a bad thing here for Bitcoin. It's not a bearish candle anymore. Good bounces up, and we're still good to go. Especially the RSI, we haven't hit this multiple resistance trend line. So I'm expecting BTC to still go up here before going to the bear market here. That's what I am seeing here. Sorry if I'm talking about higher time frames here, because as you can see, if you trade and get leverage, you're gonna get wrecked for the flash crashes. But please always do your own research. Always. Just like I've said, XRP is now experiencing double top, and BTC has done that before, like this one, but still pumps. This is a double top, but still managed to go upside. So that's what I'm expecting for XRP. Right? So are we done here for BTC? I guess not. As you can see here, we can have this last pump, and as of for body curve, we always have the base 4 before the final pump, and then a dump. So as you can see here, this is your base 1, base 2, base 3, base 4, and this is your final blow of top before we go dump here. Here, I guess somewhere 53, or here on your previous all-time high, which is 68 to 69 US dollars. Maybe we can dump here as for bear market, then we go up again. I'm sorry for the drawing. Let's just remove all of this now. That's all I am seeing here for Bitcoin in the weekly time frame. Let's go on a monthly. there. Here's your monthly RSI here. Monthly chart, should I say. I hope this monthly candle won't close like this because it's so bad. I hope it closes above here, or maybe still above here, or 122, because this is just like a gravestone doji. Okay, let's go on the RSI for the monthly. As you can see here, we managed to bounce here, clear yellow line. You see that we managed to bounce up, so I'm expecting it to go higher. See that? I'm expecting it to go like this and then pump. That's your higher time frame. So for this pattern of this ascending triangle, I expect 150,000 US dollar for Bitcoin, or even 157,000 US dollar for Bitcoin. For shorter time frame, let's go on the hourly. Yeah, this is a nice one, but still a trend line here. And let's go on with the EMAs. Okay, as you can see here, we are crossing 20 to 50. This is bullish. Okay, so what I'm expecting right now is a continuation to the upside. Hope we manage to break this, because if we're not, we're gonna come back down here. Okay, so as of, if this EMAs will cross and stay above here and then break this to the upside, then we still have this resistance here, your 124,000. And of course, the best case scenario, if we break this, then we're gonna reach the 150,000 US dollars. That's all I am seeing here in a shorter time frame. Okay, for most detailed, maybe this one is gonna go down here. Okay, support, consolidate, and then pump, because these EMAs are gonna support that. Also, we have this support resistance here. So that's all I am saying here for BTC. Hope you learned something here. Please do me a favor, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for me. Thank you. Bye bye.